Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novoséy. Today I am coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. I recently went to my local Dollar Tree and stocked up on some goodies. Most of these items I could not even believe was at the Dollar Tree. I'm like, wow, they have legit name brand items at the Dollar Tree. Definitely worth checking out and also going to help save some money and get it from the Dollar Tree. It's going to be broken down into sections. I'm going to do households, beauty. I think I have some event stuff that's in here. I'm going to just break it down, but it's going to be really fun. You're going to be super shocked at these things that you will see that came from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, let's get right into it. Some of the items that I saw in like the cleaning, household products area that I was like, wow, y'all have this at the Dollar Tree. I was quite shocked. Was Tide detergent. So I love that they have this. It's a 10-ounce bottle. They don't have it in the bigger ones, but that's really cool of them. Also, they had scrubbing bubbles. Listen, I've never even bought scrubbing bubbles either in my life, and now they have it here. These are drop-ins for your toilet. It cleans it out once you flush it. I thought that was pretty cool. There's one in each box. They also had Fab detergent, a whole 40-ounce bottle of Fab detergent. I was like, wow, that's awesome that Dollar Tree is bringing these brands to be affordable for everybody. I think that's awesome. I'm here for it. Next off, we have Clorox bleach. Listen, I have not brought any Clorox since I don't know how long. I've been using generic bleach for so long. I mean, heck, it's bleach, you know. Like, I just been using regular bleach. No big deal. Now, this item is not name brand, but I like these trash bags. These are Good Sense handle trash bags. These are 13 gallons. I like these. These are very sturdy. I use them all the time. Just thought it would be nice to add it into the Dollar Tree haul. So next they have these LED light bulbs at the Dollar Tree. 60 watts. I couldn't believe it. These do last a lot longer than regular light bulbs, and it's better for your electric bill. So make sure you check these household products out at your local Dollar Tree. I'm going to move on to the next section. So next we're going to do kitchenware. These are items that I saw. I was like, wow, these are really nice. So they have these copper aluminum coffee mugs at the Dollar Tree. These are absolutely adorable, and they had like the whole set to go along with it. I believe these are dishwasher friendly, and that makes it even more better. They have these little salt and pepper shakers as well, which I thought was adorable. The holes on these are pretty big, however, so you may want to just use it for like cinnamon and like your herbs, maybe a powdered sugar. They also have a splatted spoon, which I thought was really nice. Can you see that there? Has the copper on top. Very fancy Dollar Tree. I love it, as well as a mesher for your potatoes or whatever, just to mesh your food down. It also had the copper top on it as well, which I thought was cute. I got the whole set. I'm gonna be using these for sure. Also, this wasn't that adorable, but I thought it was cute. Just a regular spatula. I just like little stuff like this just to have it around the house, and it seems very nice. You know, like you can tell good quality items, and these are some of the quality items that I thought would be nice to buy or whatever. So also they have a chopper. Now this is for your meat. You can also measure it. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. They are coming up at the Dollar Tree. I thought that was cute. Nice little meat chopper, or for whatever you want, maybe your veggies or something like that. Really cute. I've never used a chopper, don't know what it's for, but I will be trying it out. Yes, I will. Lastly, in the kitchen section, there is these cute mason jar cups with handles. I thought these were adorable. It is hopefully sometime spring and summer will come around here, but I thought these would be perfect for your drinks, maybe like an iced coffee, or even if you did a nice lemonade, even regular hot coffee. I think that will hold it, but I wouldn't try hot products in this glass. I probably would use it for a nice iced beverage. So that's the kitchenware items that I thought were adorable. I haven't saw these before, and I wanted to show them to you, all at the Dollar Tree. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so the next section is going to be crafting and miscellaneous items that were so cute and adorable, I just had to get them. First off, we have some adhesive diamond wrap which is so nice. I saw diamond wrap at the Dollar Tree before, but the fact that they have adhesive backing on them is amazing. All my crafters, all my DIYers, you guys are going to want to go to the Dollar Tree to get these. They have it in silver, gold, and I got turquoise as well. They also had magenta pink, which I thought was super cute. Like I said, they have adhesive backing, which is so nice. It's so hard to find that without using like E6000 or something. So these are the colors that I got. I thought that was super nice. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for getting these new items. I am loving it. Okay, so the next item that I saw were these really cute little coffee candles, and these are perfect for Valentine's Day. They are scented. This one says Be Mine, this one says Mon Amour. I thought these were really cute. Couldn't believe those were at the Dollar Tree. And they also had this little tie-dye one that says Hello Gorgeous on it. Check that out. That is really cute. It's in pink, white, and purple. Very nice. Also, speaking of candles, I do have Valentine's Day candles available on my Etsy shop. Shameless plug. Check it out. The link to my Etsy shop is in the description box. So next off, I have these really cute little wine glasses with little phrases on them. This one says, on Wednesdays we drink red, which is so adorable. And this one says, hey Friday, same time, same place, like sincerely wine, which is super cute. Again, great gift items for Valentine's Day. So the next item is this Tootsie Roll thing. I mean, it's not a big deal. I just like Tootsie Rolls, and it has Valentine's Day sort of a logo and packaging to it. I thought this would be another perfect gift for Valentine's Day, and I love Tootsie Rolls, so I thought that would be cute. Make sure you check out the Dollar Tree to see if you can snag yourself one of those. So the last item in the crafting section is this LED night light that was super cute, and it says somewhere under the rainbow. I thought this would be perfect for, you know, a little girl's room or something. Definitely was not expecting to see something like this at the Dollar Tree. That's why I'm bringing you guys these things, because I just couldn't believe they have these. So really cool. Oh, I forgot. They have these novelty stickers. Now these items are just very random again. So these are adulting, like funny, sarcastic adulting stickers, which I just thought was hilarious and really cute and funny. Again, you can gift these. I thought that would be worth sharing with you guys. So if you like these items, make sure that you check them out at your local Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you the next section. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I saved the best for last, the beauty section. I went pretty ham in the beauty section. There were so many things I've never saw at the Dollar Tree before, and I thought I'd pick a few things up. First off, they have a bath soap bar, which is so nice. These are 100% vegetable-based formula enriched with nourishing essential oils suitable for all skin types to leave a soft and clean feel. I'm so here for it. So the next item that I saw at the Dollar Tree was the bath fizzers, which I thought was really cool. They also have a bath bomb. Check these out. That's really nice to put something like this in the Dollar Tree. Now these are trending very seriously in 2017 and 2018. I saw people having all types of bath bombs, so for them to bring it to the Dollar Tree, that is a plus. Now this next item I saw, I was like, oh gosh, yes. They have fragrant sachets at the Dollar Tree, and they smell so good. My place smells amazing with these around them. This is the passion fruit. I also got the amber scented one. These smell so good. They're just like little packages of fragrance. You just hang them all around your home, and they smell so good. Oh my gosh, yes, 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 I love it. So the next item are these little cute hand wash and body cream products that I saw at the Dollar Tree. The packaging and the labeling on these are very nice. I love it. This is coconut and mango scented. Again, this is a hand wash and this is a body cream. So I also saw the spa treatment mask at the Dollar Tree. There are 2 packets in here. I thought it would be worth trying. If you guys would like me to record myself trying these and let you know like the effects of my face, you know, felt any different after I used them, let me know down in the comment section and I can try them on. Next off, I saw this really cute eye mask. It says Beauty Queen right on the front. Super adorable. So the next item are class-free flat elastics, which I don't even know really what it is except for hair ties that I can use that are in the shape of a lollipop, okay? So I thought this was really cute. I think that would be a great gift idea, but basically I think these are just like flat elastics or something. I'm not sure if it's meant to be used or not, but I'm gonna try it out, but I thought that would be really cute. Now, I'm not a beauty guru by any means, but I saw these really cute retractable pencils at the Dollar Tree, and it was the brand of Bonnie Bell, and the packaging was really nice, and I'm like, these look kind of expensive. I'm gonna grab some of these. These are great to fill your eyebrows in, or even to use the black one underneath your eyes, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna look them up and see what they retail for, but I thought that was pretty cool for them to have these. Those are part of the beauty section. Lastly, I have some chapstick. It is cold outside and my lips get chapped, so they have real authentic chapstick at the Dollar Tree. Just something random that I grabbed, as well as a family pack of toothbrushes with a drinking cup and a holder. What? Come through. There are 6 toothbrushes in here. I thought this would be really neat. So the next item that I saw was this 3-minute leave-in conditioner. I thought this was really nice for them to have a sulfate-free leave-in conditioner at the Dollar Tree. It smells really good. The scent is coconut oil and vitamin oil. It's really nice. It smells really nice. Like the coconut oil in this smells amazing. It's supposed to be a Frizz deep conditioner. I'm a natural now, hence the hair. I hope you guys like it. I'm just trying to wear my hair more in 2018, so I'm looking for products, and this seems very nice. I'm gonna try it out and leave it in. It's sulfate free. That's great to look for in your products. So the next item that I saw was this blush. I'm not a huge blush person, but I do love a pretty rosy cheek every now and then. I haven't been doing that, but I wanted to try it again. So they had this really cute rosy pink blush at the Dollar Tree. I thought that would be amazing on my skin type. And the last item is head wraps. These are there all the time, but again, I'm natural now, so hair ties come in handy. These are actually head wraps, sorry, but I call them hair ties because I use them to tie my ponytails up. So these also came from the beauty section at the Dollar Tree, and you know what, guys, I am so excited for all these products, and I'm just loving all of it. I cannot wait to try these out. I cannot believe they have these things at the Dollar Tree, so high-end. Shout out to the Dollar Tree for bringing some high-end products to the local store so that people can afford these things. So yep, that's my $75 Dollar Tree haul. A lot of items. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button right now. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys really soon in another video.